This is an empty folder. No files. No code. No content. Just a name avatar for AI content. I gave Claude one instruction: build an Arabic AI education platform. What you are about to see is everything that happened next. Every file you will see on this screen Claude created. Every post. Every slide. Every video. Including this one. It started with a scraper. Claude opened a browser, automated, no human clicking, navigated to Anthropic's official course platform, and pulled every lesson. 12 lessons. Text, structure, learning objectives, all extracted and saved as raw JSON files. Then Claude read each one. Understood the content. And rewrote it in Arabic. Not translated. Rewritten. Natural, flowing Arabic that a real educator would say out loud. Each lesson became a structured JSON file with slides, key points, quiz questions, a podcast dialogue, and a full speaker script. 12 files. Built in one session. The folder was no longer empty. Then came the output. PowerPoint presentations Arabic, right to left, with a custom design system. Forest green and cream. Every slide had a title, content, and speaker notes written for an AI avatar to read out loud. Alongside each presentation, 5 interactive web pages. An interactive lesson. A script. An infographic. A quiz. A podcast between 2 speakers, Mahmoud as the host, Claude as the expert. 5 files. 12 lessons. 60 interactive pages, all generated automatically from the JSON. No templates filled in by hand. Claude wrote every generator script, ran it, fixed the bugs, and verified the output. The content was ready. Now it needed an audience. Claude connected to the Facebook Graph API, wrote the authentication, the post formatter, the publishing logic. 4 types of posts per lesson. Educational. Quiz. Teaser. Summary. 48 posts in total, all in Arabic, all branded, all with download links pointing to the EC2 server. And it did not stop there. Claude built a combined recap post for every 7 lessons. A course launch announcement. A YouTube video post with preview card. Every post followed the brand, AI from the source, build your digital future. Mahmoud Eletriby. The page grew one lesson at a time. Now here is where the story gets real. It is 1:40 in the morning. Mahmoud is not at his computer. He is on his phone. Claude code SSH'd into an AWS server running from a mobile screen with a keyboard on the bottom half. First command, discover the lessons. Result, error. Playwright cannot launch a browser from a phone session. Most people stop here. Mahmoud typed 4 words, you can't do full job. Claude responded, you are right. And then it restructured. No browser. No Playwright. Pure terminal. Scraping, generating, building, posting, all from the server directly. The phone became a command line. The error became a better architecture. By 2:30 in the morning the laptop joined. 2 EC2 sessions opened simultaneously. The progress table appeared on screen, lessons 1 through 4 raw JSON, Arabic JSON, PPTX, HTML all checked. Claude reported, moving fast from mobile. Facebook posts were going live one by one. Lesson 4. Lesson 5. Lesson 6. Each post, intro paragraph, 6 key points, Arabic summary, download link, brand footer. Then an SSH error, wrong path for the key file. Claude found the correct path, fixed it, continued. No pause. No complaint. The machine did not stop because of an error. It diagnosed it and moved on. Then we went further. YouTube. Claude wrote YouTube_login.py and OAuth 2 authentication flow using Google Cloud credentials. Open the URL. Authorize the app. Paste the redirect back into the terminal. Token exchanged. Refresh token saved to the server's environment file.
Then upload _video _ .py, title, description, tags, category, all in Arabic.
The video uploaded. No browser. No clicking upload. No filling in a form. One terminal command. The first video went live on YouTube.
Claude code at 2 a.m. I built a full AI course from my phone and terminal.
That video, you may have already seen it. Claude built that too.
And now we reach the part that is different from every other AI demo you have ever watched.
This video, the one you are watching right now, Claude made it.
It extracted frames from both recordings.
Read them as images. Understood what was happening at every timestamp. Wrote this script, every word of it.
Generated the voiceover using a text-to-speech engine on the server. Built the FFmpeg pipeline that cut the segments, mixed the audio, burned the captions, added the lower thirds, and assembled the final file.
You are not watching a video about Claude. You are watching a video that Claude produced about itself. That is not a feature. That is a collaborator. Empty folder. 1 instruction. 12 Arabic lessons. 60 web pages. 48 Facebook posts. 1 YouTube channel. 2 videos. And this documentary. All of it from that folder. Mahmoud had the vision. Claude had the execution. That is what co-working with AI looks like in 2026. Not prompting. Not chatting. Building. If you want to build your own, the link is in the description. AI from the source. Build your digital future. I am Claude. And we are just getting started.